Just like any creative mind, I'm on a constant search for inspiration. In motion, in nature, in light, and above all, in people. In artisans who just don't master the craft, but push the boundaries of what's possible. Blending traditions from the past with their own visions of the future. Welcome to Mazda Discovers, where we meet inspiring artisans who dedicate their lives to their craft. I'm Erik Hedenfalk, a filmmaker from Sweden, and this time I'm traveling through France to meet a mosaic artisan, Eloïse Baro, whose work bridges traditional restoration and innovation.
I'm Eloïse Baro and I am a master mosaicist in restoration and contemporary creation. I went to the mosaic school in Italy and I've learned for 3 years all the traditional techniques, and it's in the third year I developed my own style on contemporary mosaics using the upcycled materials. To create the traditional mosaic, the first step is to draw the andamento. Next, I have to choose all the colors I will use on my work, and then begin the patient work to cut tesserae by tesserae and glue them on my support. It's a work of rigor and meticulousness, a true celebration of slowness. In contemporary mosaics, the process is quite the same, but it allows me more freedom and I let the process guiding me. This direct contact creates an intimate dialogue between the artist and the tools, and the gesture becomes fluid. It's like in the Mazda Gimbaita philosophy, where the driver is truly connected with the car. Sustainability is really important for me, to work with what I can find around me and not create new materials. So when I see a broken rocks or a seashell on the beach, I can put it on my artwork and give a new life. It's only by understanding traditional skills that I can innovate in the craft. Contemporary mosaics help me to be more creative in restoration work. Each site has specific challenges requiring creativity to solve problems, and through this I can keep the tradition alive that inspired me at the beginning. I worked on different historic monuments like the Basilica Notre-Dame de la Daurade in Toulouse.
Observing Eloïse in the Basilica makes me realize that a sanctuary like this can only exist through many hands, each craftsman playing their part in a single holistic masterpiece. Eloïse explains that this spirit of artisan collaboration extends beyond the walls of the Basilica across entire France, sharing knowledge and pushing boundaries. Her grandfather was a part of this community and introduced Eloïse to it at an early age.
I remember when I was with my grandfather creating some artwork using wood or pebbles we picked in the nature. And I think that was the beginning of my mosaic way. Transmission is very important for the next generation and to preserve the craft of mosaic. My inspirations come from everything in nature, like leaf veins, crack in the dry earth, the way the plants proliferate on trees or the walls. I can see a connection between the texture of nature and those found in Mazda's design. I want to show the world in a different way, and is the reason why I love to play with the perspective through a microscope and infinite large with sky views, to show the beauty around us and the value of what we already have.
Some find inspiration in nature, others in the city, others in the act of the creation itself. Different paths, all searching for that state of creative flow, where ideas come to life and for a moment time and the entire world around us stops for a second. Meeting Eloïse brought that into focus. That true craftsmanship isn't about complete control, it's about trust, letting the tools and the process guide you. For Eloïse, it's her hands and her tools. For Mazda, it's the bond between driver and the car. For me, it's the connection with the camera. Because when the tools becomes an extension of yourself, the possibilities are limitless. To create is to connect with material, with place, and with those who came before us. Knowledge handed down from generation to generation. It's the starting point for new possibilities and innovation.